Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Olivia, that's back again. And St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon, right, y'all? So that means we're going to draw something that involves with it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's begin, guys.
We are preparing marker. Okay, the first of all, we draw a half and an oval in the middle of the paper.
Yeah.
In the middle, like here. Okay. Go slow down. Okay. Then we draw a crown shape. A crown shape, like here. Okay. And then here you could try to connect this oval. Okay. Okay. And then we draw another oval on the top between the two lines, right? And now we draw a square in the middle. And inside this
is another square, but smaller.
Yeah, that's right. And now we draw a headband between this. You connect to here and then connect other side. Right? And now we draw a half circle. It's a face shape. And here, okay. And draw the oval nose in the middle, like here. Looks like a big nose, right?
It looks like a red nose, the reindeer.
Yes.
Reindeer, the red nose, reindeer.
Now we add the two eyes. The one, here's another one. Maybe longer a little bit. Okay. Now we draw his bear. Here. Other side. Right here. Okay. And then here.
He's Santa, but a leprechaun Santa. Right now, he looks like a dog.
And now we draw, we draw a bear, right? So it's around the face. When you draw it here, actually a little bit like a V, a shape like V shape, right? Here. You connect here. Okay.
That's a full beard. He has a mustache, he has a beard, and he has sideburns.
Yeah, okay, so now we add two ears. Here. Another one here. Okay. So now we start the coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, it looks pretty cool, right, y'all?
Simple and fun.
Mine looks pretty big, and my mom's a little bit skinnier and tinier.
Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.